everybody, it's Miss Samantha. This week on Veggie Time at Home, we're going to be talking about foods that make us feel at home. They're foods that make us feel comfortable. They remind us maybe of our family or our friends. Maybe they're special to us because of certain traditions that we have in our communities. But they're foods that make us think of good and happy situations. Comfort foods, essentially. Today, I'm going to be making a dish called Tzimmes. So I grew up Jewish, and Tzimmes is a traditional Jewish dish made up of root vegetables and dried fruit that are roasted in a sweet sauce. Tzimmes is traditionally eaten around Jewish holidays, especially the Jewish New Year. So I'm excited to share this dish with you all. It reminds me of my family, of my childhood, just brings back a lot of happy memories. Let's get cooking. For the tzimmes, we're going to need carrots, sweet potatoes or yams, dried fruit. Today I'm going to be using dates and raisins, but you could use apricots, you could use prunes, really any dried fruit that you like. Orange juice, some brown sugar, some honey, some water, and then cinnamon, salt and pepper, and a little bit of butter. Let's get to it. The first thing we want to do before anything else is preheat our oven, and today it's going to be heated to 350 degrees. So I forgot to mention this earlier, but in addition to the food ingredients that we're going to need today, you're also going to want a vegetable peeler, obviously, to peel the carrots and sweet potatoes, and a cutting board and knife so we can cut some things up, and a roasting pan. Okay, so first things first, we're going to peel our vegetables. Alright, so now that we've peeled everything, we're going to cut up our carrots and sweet potatoes into about 1-inch cubes. Okay, so now that we've got our carrots and sweet potatoes in the bowl, we're going to add our dried fruits. So I have dates that have pits, so I'm going to pit them, and then I'm going to chop them up. And then we're also going to throw in some raisins in the bowl. Okay, and then we're going to also add some raisins. If I can get them out of the container. Alright, so here are our veggies and dried fruits. And then in this bowl, we're going to start to combine all of our liquids. First, we're going to add about 1/2 cup of orange juice. And 1/2 cup of water, and then I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of honey, you're also going to need about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and some cinnamon, and I'm just going to put a big sprinkling in because I love cinnamon, and I don't think you can ever have too much cinnamon. Well, maybe you can, but then we're going to throw in salt and our pepper. And we're going to mix it up. So now that we have our vegetables and our liquid, we're going to transfer our vegetables into the roasting pan. And we're going to take our liquid and pour it over. So we've covered our tzimmes in tin foil, and now we're going to put it in the oven for 1 hour. So our tzimmes has been in the oven for about 1 hour, and we're going to take it out, and now is when we're going to use our butter. So let's take out the tzimmes. Make sure you have an oven mitt. All right, so we've got a few pieces of butter here, and we're just gonna put them on top of the tzimmes. Like that. And then we're gonna cover it back up, and it's gonna go back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. So the tzimmes is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. We'll turn off the oven. Okay, so I let the tzimmes cool for a little bit, and I'm just gonna have a few bites right now for a snack. It's really good. It's sweet, it's a little bit savory, there's lots of different textures, and I really, really love this dish. It just warms my heart. I hope everyone gets a chance to have some of their favorite at-home or comfort foods this week, and have a great day.